This man cracked his knuckles every day for 60 years, and the results are surprising. Meet Dr. Donald when he was a kid like many of us. His parents warned him, don't crack your knuckles, you will get arthritis. But instead of being scared, he got curious. For the next 60 years, he only cracked the knuckles of his left hand for every single day and never cracked the knuckle of his right hand. He kept his routine going for 6 whole decades. Finally, after 60 years of pop, pop, pop every day, he went to get X-ray done to compare both hands. The results shocked everyone. There was no difference at all between his left and right hand. No arthritis, no damage, nothing weird. His conclusion: cracking your knuckles might annoy people around you, but it does not harm your joints.